Luke, how lucky I am to love and be loved by you. You are truly the best thing to have ever happened to me, and I can't wait to live the life we create together. It's crazy that over 3 years ago we were strangers in a bar, and today I get the honor of becoming your wife. Every day we spend together, I am reminded how we were made for each other. You call me when I'm anxious, ground me when my head's in the sky, and cheer me on my every endeavor. And I promise to always do the same for you. I promise to be a loving, honest, and faithful wife to you for the rest of our lives. I can finally call you my husband. I love you, Luke Matthew Tuttle.
Hannah, you mean the world to me. The amount of things that we have accomplished together in the last 3 years is a testament to our love and our strength together. I know that with you, my life is whole. With you, I know I can do anything, no matter what obstacles may come our way. With you, we created so many great memories that I will cherish forever. With you, I know that our lives will be amazing, full of happiness, adventure, and love. With you, I know I have a partner for life that I will love and cherish from the first breakfast date until the very end. With you, I found someone that I will forever be committed to, no matter what comes our way.
Turn it up until the roof is shaking. We're about to put on a show. You know we're all about the good vibrations. Come on everybody, let's go. We turn it up until the roof is shaking. We about to put on a show. You know we're all about the good vibrations.
I remember distinctly thinking the second they walked out that door, I was like, yeah, he's the one, you know, and he's never proved me wrong so far. Your guys' love and relationship is motivating and inspirational to everybody. The love you guys have for each other is something that I hold very close to me. Both are incredible people, and I'm so glad that my best friend, my favorite sister, has been her forever. And I could not ask for a better person for my sister to marry, to spend the rest of her life with. Hannah's, I don't know if I I don't know how well you guys know us, but Hannah and I are very close. Hannah's my only sister. And, there's never been one time in my life where Hannah's ever let me down. She always knows the right thing to say and exactly when to say it. And she's one of the most loyal, fierce, and passionate people I know. And I'm just so happy. And Luke, you're great. No, Luke, you're amazing. You're like the brother I never had. You know, you've been there for me as if I was a sister to you. You've never let me down. You've always been the one I needed you. There's been countless times where I've had to go there and ask for advice, mostly unsolicited. But you always take care of me. I'm so thankful that I have two amazing people in my life that we found each other. I'm so happy for you guys and the rest of your life together. I love you both so much.
So, never before, so I Googled how to get best man. And some sources decided that I should tell a story of our friendship. Some story, and I was like, well, I don't know if we have very many interesting PG-13 stories. But I said, well, I figured maybe I'll just, say a few words of what kind of man Luke is. And I had a long time to think about it, and I realized that all the time I've known him, I realized that he's the man I look up to, and the man I admire, the man I want to be in life. And I know that a man like that deserves all happiness in the world. And Hannah, in the 17 years that I've known him, I've never seen him happy. That from the bottom of my heart. So, with that, let's toast to the fantastic newlyweds, Luke and Hannah Tuttle. Cheers.
Anybody that knows Hannah's story knows that life hasn't been easy for her. She went through some health issues as a young girl, something that no one should ever have to face. But that's what made her who she is today. Strong, vibrant, confident, beautiful young lady. Somebody that is truly inspiring to me and to us a beautiful life. I can say a lot of things that describe Hannah. She's trustworthy, honest, humble, hardworking, academic, but most of all, she's just a really real kind of person. And that says everything, especially in the crazy world we live today. I say she's inspiring, and I think one of the biggest compliments I can give her is she makes me want to be a better person. And I think about it every day. You're truly an inspiration for everybody. About 3 years ago, I remember hearing about this new guy. I came home from work one day, and Melissa says, hey, Hannah met somebody. At that time, Hannah and Luke were working at St. Alphonsus Hospital. And I didn't really think too much of it. A few months go by, Melissa says, hey, Hannah stopped by today. And all she wanted to talk about was this thing. It's like, okay, we got to do this right now. It wasn't long after that we got to meet Luke for the very first time. And immediately, Melissa and I knew immediately just how special the guy he was. They shared a lot of the same qualities together. Humble, hardworking, trustworthy, honest, but most of all, just a really kind person. And, I think all those boxes that need to be checked when your daughter's getting married, to meet somebody and be that person, be with them. Luke checks all those boxes and makes some. I think when I think of Luke, I think, not only are those things, but he's a hungry, fishy guy. He knows how to butcher an elk. From the very first time we met him, we knew
thing is, it makes, sometimes it takes time to figure it out. But with these two, it was pretty instant. It was pretty fast. Yeah? You agree? Yeah. But slowly but surely, we've come to know Hannah, and she is part of our family. Tracy and I don't have any daughters, but we do now. We do that. And so, let me paraphrase here. If you've been lucky enough to meet one you love, and you know the experience that is, how easy it can be. And like Sam says, any partnership, like marriage, is not easy by any means. But having that connection makes it a lot easier. On the whole